What's up guys, it's Denny and I'm here with a new 5 minutes long tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to track text to moving object. It's easier than you think, so let's dive in. First, as usual, we're gonna start with our new composition. I'm setting mine to 1920 and 1080. And the color of the composition is not really important because we're gonna upload our video over it. I downloaded my footage from the site called Pexels, and I'm gonna link the video below so that you can download it as well. We're going to drag our video to timeline, and since my composition's duration is only 10 seconds, the video will only last for 10 seconds and it will cut. So be mindful when you're setting your duration at the composition. And then we're gonna go to tracker, which should be on your right menu. If you don't see it, just go to Windows and select tracker. And we're going to hit track motion. That is going to create a small point in the middle of the screen, and we need to adjust it to our car. Make sure you cover the whole area of the car with your track point. Once you're done, go to the beginning of your timeline and hit analyze and arrow key to the right. The tracking can take a while, so I speeded up this process. I only tracked 10 seconds of the video because our composition is 10 seconds. Once you're finished with tracking, we're gonna create null object. And with our video layer select, we're gonna hit edit target in the tracker area. Make sure that the motion will be applied to your null object layer. And we're going to hit apply. Hit OK. Now the null object is connected to our moving car. It's time to add callout text. And I created this one very easily within like 5 minutes, just by scaling and using trim pads. And I added my composition with the callout text to my composition with the moving car. Go at the beginning and adjust the text to your car. Once this is adjusted the way you want, parent the callout text to your null object. And here it is. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and see you next time.